Hey guys, so today's video is going to be kind of like an intro starting what I wanted to do for this year, actually, kind of. So I decided that for some videos anyways, over the course of the year, each month I was going to redo a room in my house. Well, like organize it and get it put together, and then like add some decorations and stuff if it needs any. So for this month I'm gonna start with the kitchen because I really want to organize my pantry because it's driving me up the wall. So the kitchen is gonna be this month. And I'm also going to clean out the cabinets, clean out the fridge. And then the altogether like decorating part will probably be at the end of the month. So today's part will be me cleaning out today's part will be me cleaning out the refrigerator and the freezer. And then next week will be me cleaning out the cabinets, and then the week after that will be me organizing the pantry, and then the week after that will be like, not like a tour, but like this is what it looks like now, and this is what it looked like before, with some a few like decoration stuff. And then so that'll be January. February, I want to do the living room. March, I want to do this room, which is the like family room area. April is going to be a little bit different because I actually wanted to work on the backyard for that month. So you guys will come outside with me just to see. We have a pretty big backyard. A pretty big backyard here in our new house. And I just want to like make use of the space a little bit better. May is going to be the half bath that's downstairs, and then like there's a wall across from it that is going to be like the command center, and I want to do a little bit more with that. I have a few things there now, but I just want to do a little bit more with that part. EJ's bedroom is going to be in June. His is pretty much done. I just need to do a few decorations and possibly get him a new dresser. July is Lucas's bedroom. His is done basically. I just have to hang up a few stuff like on the wall, but you'll get to see me like reorganize all these places that I'm saying are pretty much done. Will be more of like reorganizing that area and like cleaning it and stuff like that. August is the boys' bathroom. That'll be like a complete decoration redo, more than likely. September is going to be really fun. It's going to be the laundry room and the like, I'm not really going to do much in the hallway, but maybe add some decorations, but the laundry room is going to be quite the adventure. And then October, we're going to do my bedroom, which needs some decor and new bedding. And, well, as of now, it needs new bedding. I might get new bedding before October. But that'll be that. And then November will be the master bath. And then December will be, I put closets, but it'll probably just be mine. Since the boys I don't need to do a lot in their room, I'll probably just do their closets at that time. And there's also a closet in the hallway upstairs that will be reorganized when it's hallway month. So that's what I have now. If you guys would like to see something like sooner than what I have planned, the only thing that's probably going to stay the same is the backyard, because it's like during springtime and I kind of want to plant some trees. So that'll probably stay the same, but the other ones are pretty flexible. I'm going to do the refrigerator clean out today, so you guys will get to see me clean out my fridge. I'll probably like fast forward it, you know, like, what'd you do? Do a quicker fast forward and then add some music to it just so you guys aren't hearing a bunch of squeaking. And yeah, that's it. I will see you guys for tomorrow's video. And if you have any video requests, let me know. I have like a running list in my journal, but if you have something else you want to see, just let me know. Thanks for watching.